Hello friends, welcome to VFocus classes. Myself, I am Raman and I've been giving you the classes for SSC CGL preparation. So these are the playlist in our channel. The channel name is VFocus classes in YouTube. Please go through this channel and you can find the videos of polity and arithmetic, Hindi videos and English videos, trigonometry, algebra and all those playlists. You can find near to 200 videos. You can make use of all the videos to get good marks in tier 1 and as well as tier 2. So now in this session we are going to discuss about allegation and mixture. So first we'll see what is the meaning of allegation, the definition of allegation or meaning. So before going to that, learn about average, recollect what is average. Average is sum of items by number of items. Basically whatever the allegation we are going to study, this method is application of weighted average. But what is weighted average? In weighted average you already know that a group of items will be given to us. Let's say that there is a first group. In that group m items are there and its average is given x, and there is a group of n items, its average is given y. So then if m items average is x, we know that the sum will be mx, and if n items average is y, then the sum is ny. So if you combine these two groups, so that you will be getting m plus n items, and in order to calculate this m plus n items average, we must know sum of the items. So already you know the first group sum, that is mx, and the second group sum, that is ny. If you find both the sums, you will be getting it as mx plus ny. So for m plus n items, you are getting the sum as mx plus ny. So what is the weighted average now? The weighted average is sum of the item, that is mx plus ny, divided by the number of items, that is m plus n. So this is the basically weighted average when m items average x is given and n items average y is given. But in these allegation problems, you will not be given the number of items. They will be giving a group of items average is x, and there is another group, its average is y, but you mix both of them, you will be getting the combined average as k. Then they will be asking us to find what is the ratio of these m and n, what are the number of items, what is the ratio of the items, what is the ratio of the quantities, they will be asking. So we know that it is m items average is x, n items average is y, and let's consider that m plus n items average is k. So you know how to calculate weighted average, that is mx plus ny by m plus n, but its average is clearly given as k. Here it is clearly given k. Now you simplify this, what will happen, you'll see. So once we simplify, we get it as mk, k into m plus n is equal to mx plus ny. So you simplify this, k into m, k into n, mx plus ny, you bring this mx this side, so it will become km minus mx, and take this nk this side, so it will become ny minus nk. So once you take common m, so you will be getting it as k minus x is equal to n into y minus k. So take this n this side, so you will be getting m by n. This is the ratio that is required for us, that is ratio of the items in the groups or ratio of the quantities. So we are getting this as y minus k divided by k minus x. So this is the basic funda of allegation methods. But doing the problem in this way is somehow difficult because you may confuse what to take the ratio as. So that is the reason we will be following a pattern. In this pattern, so in the problem we are given with, there is some item that their average is x, and there are some other item that average is y, and combined average is k. So arrange these three averages, that is the first average is x, second average is y, and combined average you write in the middle. Now what you do is, in this cross way, in this direction, you take the difference between k and x. I write the difference as k minus x. I am very clearly saying you take the difference. Whether it is x minus k or k minus x will be deciding while doing the problems. The difference is always big number minus small number. I am considering k is big number than x, so I am writing the difference as k minus x. In the same way, we need to take the difference of k and y. So I am considering y is the big number. So earlier what I took, so out of k I subtracted x, so I will be writing the arrows in this way. So out of k I subtracted x. Now from y I am subtracting k, so I will be writing the arrow in this way. So I will be getting y minus k. So whatever the ratio I am getting here, y minus k is to k minus x, this is the ratio of quantities. Means this y minus k is related to the quantity related to this average. If m items are there, so this y minus k is related to m items. If y average items are n, then this k minus x is related to this n. So don't confuse yourself. You are considering the averages here, but you are finding the ratio of quantities. Don't say that the ratio you are getting is ratio of averages. It is not the ratio of averages. It is a ratio of quantities. So simple rule is write the averages in order. First group average, second group average, in the middle you write combined average, and you find the ratio. Now we'll see the problem. The first problem is given like this: in what ratio must, so the problem itself clearly it is given in what ratio. He is asking us to find the ratio. Must rice at rupees 9 rupee 30 per kg be mixed with rice at rupees 10.80 per kg, so that the mixture be worth rupees 10 per kg. So there is a mixture, there is a group of items, that is a number of kgs, and there is another group of rice, number of kgs. We don't know the number of kgs, but we know the price. Per kg means it is, we can say as average. So take down the first average, second average, and per kg group average. When you mix both of them, combination. So when you combine, average is given. So take the first average, that is 930. Then take the second average, that is 1080. So I am writing in terms of paisa. It is 9 rupee 30 paisa, I am writing 930. This is 10 rupee 80 paisa, I am writing 1080. And the middle average, that is combination of average, is given as 10 per kg. So I am writing it is 10 rupee means 1000 paisa. Now what we need to take is, we need to write the differences. We need to take the differences. So in order to take the difference, 1000 minus 930 you do. So you write in this way, whatever the difference you are getting, you write here, that is 70. And 1080 minus 1000 you do, you will be getting the difference as 80. So 80 is to 70, that means 80 is to 7 is the ratio. Means this 8 is related to this 930 and 7 is related to 10,080. So it means like 930, 9 rupee 30 paisa and 10 rupee 80 paisa ratio must be in 8 is to 7. It means this price, if you mix 8 kgs, this price rice you must mix 7 kgs. If you mix this 16 kgs, you must mix this as 14 kgs. Like this we'll be finding the answer. So it's just asking the ratio, so we are finding the ratio as 8 is to 7. The thumb rule is you write the ratios in this direction. You write the averages in this way. Now go to the next problem. So read the problem carefully. The average salary of all the workers in a workshop is rupees 8,000. The average salary of 7 technicians is given as rupees 12,000. And the average salary of the rest is rupees 6,000. Then the total number of workers in the workshop. So there is a workshop, and in this workshop all the workers average is given as 8,000. So it is combined average. So but the workers are not same. So in this there are two groups. One group is of technicians, they are 7, and another group is other employees. So it is simply said as rest. So the rest of employees means if 50 employees are there, out of this if 7 are technicians, then remaining 43 will be rest, we say. So we don't know how many rest people are there. Okay. So it is clearly given first group average, that is technicians average, is 12,000 rupees. And another group average it is clearly given, that is 6,000 rupees. And combined average, all the employees average, it is given clearly 8,000 rupees. Now we need to find the ratio. You know the ratio, that is difference. Big number minus small number, you will be getting it as 4,000. And big number minus small number, you will be getting it as 8,000 minus 2,000. So this is the ratio we are getting. 2,000 is to 4,000 means it is 1 is to 7. This 1 is related to the number of items here. This 12,000 rupees is the salary. How many employees are getting 12,000 rupees salary? 7 technicians. So this is 7. Now he is asking us to find total number of workers. So whatever the ratio you are getting here, this ratio is related to the quantity. What is the quantity here? Number of employees. So you are getting the ratio of number of employees. So total how many parts employees are there? This is 1 part, this is 2 parts. So totally there are 3 part employees are there. But already it is given this 1 is related to 7, means this 1 part is equal to 7 employees. Then what about 3 part? This is equal to 21 employees. So total there are 21 employees. If the problem is about how many employees are getting 6,000 as the average, then it must be, so 2 parts, it is 2 parts. 2 parts must be equal to 14. But the problem is given about total number of employees, so we are getting the answer as 21. Now carefully you observe the problem. So here I took the ratio initially 12,000. big number and this is a small number. But in the previous problem, I took this is a small number, this is the big number. So one thing must be clear, whether you write the big number or small number, it does not matter. So what matters is writing the ratio in order. So here you take the ratio in cross in this direction, diagonally you must take the ratios, then you will be getting the answer. So this is the basic of allegation and mixture. We will be posting so many more videos. Please keep watching our channel, that is vfocusclasses.com. So do visit our website, that is www.vfocusclasses.com. We thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel, that is vfocusclasses.com, and also like our Facebook page, that is www.facebook.com/vfocusclasses. You can also join in our group at Facebook, and please visit our website, that is www.vfocusclasses.com. Thank you very much.